What's going on, y'all? This is day 90 of the DSK series. We are joined by Keith and his son Jake. They came in for the week. They wanted to get a workout in with us. So let's do it.
So I've been keto since January 1st, 2016, about 2 years, 7 months. 2016, I ran my first marathon drinking nothing but water, totally keto. 2017, I ran a 50-mile trail race, completely keto.
Shout out to our camera woman, Crystal Love, in the building. Look at that chest crease. Get it, baby. Get it, baby. Good workout?
Good workout.
Good workout?
Yeah.
All right. Go get coffee.
All right, guys, so the workout is in the books. We had an awesome workout with those two. We are now gonna head to Starbucks. We're gonna meet them there. It's just so freaking awesome that we are able to connect with these people simply because of a diet, or you know, we all like to work out, we like to be physically active. Whatever it is, it's super cool that we are able to meet them. Someone sent a quick email saying, hey, we're gonna be in town. Let's meet up for a workout. We're just really blessed. It's super freaking awesome that we're able to do this. So anyways, we're gonna go enjoy a cup of coffee with these guys, and yeah. Anything else to say, Robert?
It wouldn't be a Keto Savage experience without Starbucks, so we had to break our Starbucks rule.
Yeah, pretty sad. All right, guys, we'll see you in a bit.
Alright, y'all, I was not expecting those low of numbers, to be completely honest. Quick little caveat here, it is not the first thing in the morning, which it was when I tested at the beginning of this experiment. It is currently 3:37 p.m., but I have not yet eaten today. So, I'm going to go get my InBody test done right now as well. I was going to do it tomorrow, but tomorrow is Saturday for me, and the InBody doesn't open until noon, actually, I think, which is, I've got a hair in my eye, which is crazy late, and we're doing legs in the morning, so I don't want to do it right after training legs, because it's going to skew things. I've already trained today, as you saw earlier, but it was several hours earlier, so I don't anticipate it affecting the InBody results that much. And again, since I have not eaten yet, it should be pretty close to consistent with when I tested previously first thing in the morning. Wow. So that said, weight was 172.6, which is by far the lowest I've hit thus far this course. And then my blood glucose was 69, which is also quite low. I'm out of ketone strips, so I can't test for that. But let's go get our InBody done just to see where we're at. Just as a quick reminder to where I was at before doing the Deeper State Keto course, check this out. Alright, y'all, just got done off the InBody. I'm at 11.2% body fat and 177.7 pounds with a predicted basal metabolic rate of 1,900 calories. So that's what we're working with so far. Alrighty, y'all, we are at Complete Nutrition. We're gonna get the InBody scan. Crystal predicts I got a
9.2.
9.2. I think it's a pretty accurate guess. Let's see what we got.
Grab the handles and place your thumbs on the oval electrodes. Is in progress. Please do not talk or move during the test.
Alrighty, y'all. So we just got done with the InBody, and my total body water was different, so it's kind of screwed up everything. It's showing my body fat percent at 11.6. When I started DSK, I was at 11.2, and then I got a scan done in the middle, and I was up at 13.2, and then today I was at 11.6. But each time my water has been different, which is accounted for the change in muscle mass. So I weighed 173.5 on the InBody. The first time I did DSK, or when I did DSK, my first weight was 177, so I've dropped weight there. My dry lean mass has stayed the same, so I've not lost any dry lean mass. My body fat mass went from 23.6 to 20.1, and then let's see here. My total body water this time was 112. Last time was 114, which is why that accounts for that body fat percentage being off, because it's showing me having less muscle because my body fat water is off. So again, let that be a note too. If your body water is down, your muscles are going to appear less full, and you're going to show less muscle mass and more body fat with the InBody. So when we get a lot of questions about that from our clients, and they'll show us the results. That's why I always ask, what's your total body water, because that's going to impact things.
This is actually a perfect example, and I'm actually grateful that it happened to you, because so many people come to us saying, oh my gosh, it says that I lost muscle and I gained body fat and I'm up 2 percentage points. It's really not, like, you're really not losing that muscle, and you're not gaining any fat. It's simply because your water is off, and if your water is off, it's going to throw everything off. And it's going to be more so for anybody who is a little bit more overweight. The more overweight you are, the easier it is for that scan to be off.
Yeah. So takeaways are, from the beginning of DSK to now, my weight went down from on the InBody 177 to 173. My dry lean mass stayed the same. And
179 to 173.
This was the midway test.
Oh, I see.
So, and then my total body fat mass went down, but it's showing my body fat percent the same because of the water, total body water fluctuation. But I can definitely tell that I'm starting to get leaner now. And again, I'm just now at 2,100 calories, so I'm just now at my tipping point for starting to get leaner. So if I was, technically I should start DSK now with my caloric intake, but instead I started at 3,000, and I've been in an off season this entire time. Again, just doing the course to kind of follow along with y'all that have done the course. So that said, I'm pretty pleased with the results though. Like, I feel like I have healthy body fat now, healthy composition right now. I'm leaner. I can see striations. I can see veins in shoulder places where I haven't seen them before in a while. So I'm happy about that. Tomorrow I'm going to do updated posing and pictures and measurements, and then tonight I'm going to do a refeed, but I'm not going to increase my calories since I'm still above maintenance, basically, or right at maintenance. What I'm going to do is I'm going to backload all of my calories and have them in one meal to peak for tomorrow's pictures. So yeah, I'm going to have a keto refeed pizza tonight to meet those demands. So let's go to the grocery store and get some pizza ingredients. Alright, y'all, so we're making the keto Fathead pizza tonight. I'm going to get pepper jack cheese for the base. Here we go. Alright, y'all, so instead of using pizza sauce, I'm going to use this Kale Pesto. The macros on here are perfect. The ingredients are super clean. Extra virgin olive oil, kale, cashew nuts, sea salt, vinegar, and citric acid. Less than 1 gram of carb per 2 tablespoons. So this is a much better option than most pizza sauces. So we're going to put some almond flour in there, as well as I'm going to top this beast with some anchovies. The sodium in these anchovies is a really good option to help draw in the water into the muscle cells, kind of make the skin look thinner, which will make a difference in tomorrow's pictures. Alright, y'all, check it out. That is the keto Fathead pizza. I've got the crust made with 1 egg, almond flour, and cheese, pepper jack cheese. I've got that pesto, and then I've got anchovies on there. And the macros for this beast are 78 grams of protein, 9 grams of carbs, 142 grams of fat. And how many calories was that? 1,600 calories in this beauty. Yeah, buddy. Alright, y'all, this pizza is a beast. I can't wait to dive into it. I have to eat it with a fork, it's so big. But all the sodium in this pizza, this pizza, the Refeed pizza, again, this is not a refeed for me. It's like my normal calories because I never went below maintenance. But having all these calories right at night, end of the day, with extra sodium on there, is going to really draw all the water from my subcutaneous layer of skin into my muscle cells, so that tomorrow morning when I wake up and do like the posing and the updated progress pictures, there's going to be a definite difference in my definition and just how I look. That combined with the fact that I've been getting leaner and losing body fat and improving my composition. But that's my plan. We'll see you tomorrow for the pictures. Peace. Oh, happy 90 day of DSK. I mean, I'll do a little outro clip tomorrow, but freaking awesome. Catch y'all tomorrow.